Falling is okay. Try again. The commitment is high. You're just stepping off. Just leave your feet on there. You can do it. Oh! All right, guys, we're here today with
Mia.
And she is going to learn how to do a
Kickflip.
shove it. We're going to learn how to do a shove it. Kickflip.
You decided.
Good try. Okay, so how long have you been skateboarding for?
When I was a kid, I grew up skating, but I
Where?
in Brazil.
In Brazil. She grew up in Brazil, skated as a kid, and then?
And then I stopped and I returned after 15 years.
15 years break. I want to make this video because there's a lot of people, tons of people who said, you guys got me back into skateboarding, and that's you. So have you ever landed a shove it ever in your whole life?
I don't think so.
Good. Are you scared?
A lot, because I'm not sure if I can do it.
She can do it. You know what? Step one, believe in yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Easier said than done, I understand. Okay, so should we push around a little bit?
Yeah, perhaps. Yeah.
Okay, warm up. And then we go into the motions of the shove it. Just get comfortable riding. Boom, nailed it. Good, I love it. Okay, now you're fully comfortable, you're fully warmed up, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what you do. You put your back foot on just the tail.
Like that?
And you just move it like that. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that a bunch of times. And the secret here is you don't have to push down, but you just, I'll take off my shoe. You actually like kind of curl your toes.
Like that, okay.
And then push it straight back. That makes it 100 times easier.
Okay.
You can, that was perfect. This is like the very easiest trick that doesn't really require much jumping. So watch how high my feet come off the ground.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just barely.
Okay.
In fact, the least it comes off, the better, because your front foot holds the board straight.
Yeah.
So it's really all you do is just this a bunch, and then just do it.
All right.
I feel like you can already do it. Ah, see?
But the problem is landing on it now.
No, it's easy. Don't be scared.
It's easy. Just do that.
Give it a go. Full wing denga. There you go.
I'm jumping too much.
Yeah,
Whoa.
You're jumping too much. So it's also helpful if you're jumping from the ball of your foot,
Okay.
right? And then,
So you actually, with your right foot,
Yeah.
you also kind of kicking slightly the skate forward.
no, not really. You're really just jumping.
And then like this.
Yeah, and if that's what I'm saying, like you already got that, now just stand on there. Do the same thing. You got it.
Oh!
Good save.
Nothing
Good
happened.
save. Falling is okay. Try again. Good. You got it. You got it. Okay, you're really close. There you go.
Almost. That was not correct.
Almost.
But
90 degrees. Come back over here. You ready? Now you.
it seems so easy when
It's
you do
so
it.
easy.
Yeah.
It's easy for you too. Go ahead. Super close.
Okay, right.
Just like that. Now land on it. Oh! You're basically doing a 180 with your body. Like you're kind of jumping like that.
Oh, yeah.
Just leave your body straight and just keep that motion.
Yeah.
Back foot.
So basically, my body should be straight.
Yeah.
Just the skate should move.
Just the skate should
I think
move.
I tried to compensate.
Yeah.
And move the other.
Yeah, you don't need to. Just the board. It's amazing that she could do that, though. The commitment is high. Good. See? Halfway there. Good. Oh! Let's go! There's no pressure.
Yeah, sure. Just have a camera looking at me.
This is the camera. There's no camera. Oh! Ready? Close. There it is. Now land on that.
Alright.
Keep those knees bent. There it is.
That's pretty good.
It, jump forward too,
Jump hard.
like a little bit.
That's it
That
right
was
there.
so perfect.
Now if you put your other foot on, boom.
I feel this is one of the tricks that, I mean, all of them, that you have to train for hours until you get, if you don't know them already.
You got it right now.
Half a day. Or...
No, you've spent 20 minutes on this and you're gonna land it. Watch. See? You see, that's what people say. They get in their head and they start to decide, maybe I can't do it. I don't know. Don't we need to put more practice? I don't know. Just do it. Yeah, just do it. The funny thing is you're literally like this close. Like it couldn't be closer. Like you're kind of like, and the one foot, just put it on. I can't believe you can do that so well. Good, now land.
This is easy.
Oh!
Just have to land it.
Yeah, you just have to land it.
Okay.
Are you scared to land on it?
A little bit, but I think this is something we were talking about before. Like when you get a bit older and you go back to do things that you like skating, you think about the consequences.
Yeah. So how old are you?
33.
33.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
I thought you were younger than me.
And I'm 36. I completely understand. There are consequences. If you want the handhold, we can, but I think you can just land it.
I think I'm afraid of when I land, the skate flies out and I land wrong and then, I don't know.
Yeah, but to be honest, when you fell already, that's about, sure, you could fall a little harder than that, I guess, but you kind of already did it. That's why I said, it's good to do that, get it over with. You are so close, it actually hurts. Okay, don't be scared. You want a helmet?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, land.
Oh, there you go.
That right there, land on it. How bad was that?
That was the worst.
Oh, what? I didn't see anything.
Let's go.
That was it.
Ah, it hurts so much.
Yeah, it hurts so much.
Land the both feet on there. What? Everybody can do it. Oh! Now just stay on there.
Wait.
Yeah! 1, 2, 3. I mean, honestly, if you can jump on it like that, the shove it is. I'm more scared of that than the shove it.
Yeah, shove that back foot.
Here's what I think is going to help you a little more. Take your back foot and have it more off like that.
More.
Yeah, like your toe.
Oh.
And then your toe just pushes back.
Okay.
So it's like that, right? Oh my gosh!
The problem is just landing it.
Yeah, this foot, your right foot, just make sure that foot lands and stays on there. Go ahead.
The funny thing is, looks super hard right now, but I think after you do the first times, it's like, and then you already know it.
Yeah,
like
it's all here.
letting back.
That's why. If you in your head were like, yeah, this is easy, you would land it like third try. Oh!
How's that feel?
This feels good. I'm so happy.
She's like, are we done yet?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are we done?
Braille skateboarding. Was it hard?
I'm just tired.
It's okay. 5 more tries.
How much tries?
Yeah.
All right.
Do it.
5 tries is not enough, but
5 tries is enough.
is enough.
I went to London and there was this little kid and he was like, Aaron, I can't kickflip. And I was like, yes, you can. And he went like this. Oh my God! I kickflipped! Literally, first try.
Oh my God.
You just have to, you can do it. You can do it. Stop putting it there that you can't do it. You can do it. Oh my gosh! That was it. That was it. It was really, really good. Oh my gosh! Good, now.
Not perfect.
When you land, just leave your feet. Don't step up.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Okay. You got that. You realize you're landing it like 20 times. You're just stepping off. Just leave your feet on there. You're golden.
I'm so tired.
You're right there.
Yeah.
You got this. I could see your thoughts going, you don't got it, you can't do it. It's just you can do it. You can do this.
I can do this.
Yes.
Yeah, I can do this. I can do this.
Oh! There you go! There you go! I told you you could do it! Okay, how was that?
So easy.
It was easy, right?
Yeah, all right.
She's lying. It was not, okay, it
Wait,
was not
look.
that hard.
No, I can say it's not easy,
Yeah.
but you can do it.
And you gotta practice. You gotta like do practice steps and try, and you gotta, there's like a certain point where you have to push yourself through to make it.
Yeah, it's true, it's true. I think it's not giving up.
Yeah. Anything like specifically that we helped you with that you can say this helped me for those people that might not be like totally able to do this trick?
What I can say is if you think like you suck, like I just think, I mean you don't, you just need to try more. It's like practice that makes the perfection.
That's right. Practice makes the perfection. Okay, thank you so much for coming.
I'm trying at home more. Next time we meet and then I'll be better.
I believe you.
Promise.
Well, thank you again so
you
much
so
for coming.
much.
And check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you can learn also.
If I did, you can do as well.
You can do it as well. Go to brailleskateboarding.com.